Thank you to my friend Syra for the good seat. Nasa zone 1 tuloy kami. Right, Lovey? Thank you, Syra.
Captain Christian Pepito, First Officer R.C. Padilla, and there's our crew members. We will now say take your fly with us.
We landed in Gandang Airport and we're just waiting for our transfer kasi dapat mag-BTS kami since this is the first time na lang ulit namin labing kapag Bangkok ng dalawa lang kami, so dapat mag-train lang kami kasi we haven't tried that. Kaya lang walang BTS line dito sa Don Muang going to the city, so nag-book na lang kami ng transfer to po. Yung Wi-Fi we didn't book here kasi nga we will arrive here in Don Muang and then we will depart in Suvarnabhumi, so hindi ko siya ma-return. So we decided na lang to get Wi-Fi in Manila. Yun sa Terminal 3 meron naman siya. And we also booked it through. So ayun, we're just waiting for a transfer na nakapag-withdraw na rin kami ng money. And so far, so good. Ang smooth ng flight, ang smooth ng immigrations. And I'm just so excited to eat.
Beautiful dun.
Saan?
Ipag-isa na lang kay tita.
Ito na yung transfer namin. Wala pa nga sa tito.
Kaya na igisa na lang tita.
Sige.
Stand by here outside 1 minute. They will come in to see the time number 7115.
7115. Okay, okay ka. Kapun ka. Yay. I'm so excited to eat. Look, see you guys later. Nasa transfer namin.
Yung repolyo yun ba? Pwedeng gulayin nila yun. May corned beef doon.
Oo nga. O kaya yung buttered lang. Ano mo yun? Yung pure repolyo and butter lang. Mamaya, sige sabihin natin sila. Wala pa si Tito. I'll update you guys later. Okay, update. We've already checked in. And kapag early check-in kami. So, by the way, nagstay kami dito sa Sukhumvit area. And our hotel is called Life. Ito. Life Hotels. And super nice dun sa lobby. Pero hindi na ako nakapag-film kanina kasi nag-check-in ako. But yeah, let's do a quick room tour lang. So, sa room. And there. Super cute ng room. Maliit lang siya, but okay lang. Dalawa lang naman kami ni Lavi. Actually, medyo spacious na rin naman siya. Wala nga kami check-in luggage. Hand carries lang yung dala namin. Isang trolley lang and then yung backpack ni Lavi. Then my personal bag and purse. So, yun ang cute! Super cute! So, we have a window there. Tapos, may space doon. Pwede mo lagyan ng drawer ng mga bags. Or kung may luggage ka, pwede mo ilagay doon. Tapos, we have a queen-size bed. They're very cozy. And then, we have a mini working area here. Ganyan. Tapos, meron ditong lavatory. Nakahiwalay siya. Medyo weird, but okay lang. I don't mind. And then, nandun yung mga gamit mo. Yung toiletries. Meron na sa CR. Ito yung CR pala. So, this is the shower. Nakahiwalay yung shower. Ayan. Medyo maluwag din siya. Kasi yung mga dating na check-in na namin, medyo masikip yung shower area. And then, nakahiwalay yung toilet, which I like. So, yeah. And then, ito yung fire escape plan. Or yung exit, fire exit. Then, ayun lang. Dito yung mga switches. Meron ditong sabitan. And AC. Wala siyang TV, no, baby?
Ang number natin 730.
Wala ang TV.
Mahal?
Hmm? Mm-hmm. So that's it for the room tour. Hanap na muna kami ng food. We're really hungry. So let's go, Lovey. Saan? Lumabas kami ng hotel, kakalabas lang namin ngayon. It's, anong oras na baby? 7? Mga 7 p.m. na. Hindi na ako nakapag-film kanina, pero nag-ano kami, tawag dito, Terminal 21. Walking distance lang siya from here. Tapos kumain lang kami doon, tapos may nabili kaming konti. And down, tapos nag-rest kami sa hotel, and then now, lumabas kami ulit. So, yun, punta kaming December's and magpapamassage kami. Ang daming mga bar, inuman dito sa labas ng hotel. And then ang dami ding kainan, sobrang dami kainan. So ngayon, tignan namin kung magde-Decembers muna kami or platinum. Or magpapamassage muna kami. Ano bang gusto mo, Lovey?
Tingnan mo natin kung 24 hours na yung
So this is the typical Bangkok at night. Traffic, maraming tuk-tuk, maraming taxi. So yeah, we'll update you later. Made it to December's, guys. Ang dami mabibili talaga dito. Sobrang na-overwhelm ako. By the way, dito kami sa mga pajamas. So, ang gaganda ng mga pajamas dito. Good morning! It's our day 2 here in Bangkok and nandito kami sa labas ng hotel, naglalakad-lakad kami. Nagtitingin lang kami ng mga food. Pero ang plan naman talaga namin is mag-breakfast kami sa 7-Eleven talaga. But ang dami kasi nagbebenta dito. And ang mumura talaga ng food. Pakita ko sa inyo. Okay, parang ang sarap na. Yung mga fried rice. Pero parang too heavy for breakfast naman yung fried rice. Yung parang hindi ako sobrang gutom lang. Pero masarap siya. Gusto ko lang tikman siguro. Mura lang naman eh. Ito yung area namin. Maganda yung area actually. Para siyang Makati. Pag lumabas ka dun sa parang parang kanto nitong kung saan nakaset yung hotel. Parang Makati area siya. Yan yung hinanap ko kagabi. Ito guys, may pad thai. Ano ba? By the way, today pala, we're going to Chatuchak. So, nag-open siya 9. It's currently 8:31. Paglabas naman namin may BTS station na, Nana Station. And then, isang line lang yun. Hindi na kami magka-transfer. Diretso na kami sa line kung saan nandun yung Chatuchak. So, yun. I'm excited kasi tagal ko na rin din nakapag-Chatuchak. Yung last 2 Bangkok na, yung last na nag-Bangkok kami, hindi kami nakapag-Chatuchak. So, I'm excited ako. So, yeah, we'll see you there later. Kain lang kami. Okay. That's so good.
Thank you.
สวัสดีค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ like both noodles. 1,640 dapat. 1,500 na lang.
1,630.
1,640 dapat. This is my favorite shop na binibila namin ng boxer shorts. So, cute talaga ng mga boxers. But this time I didn't get one for me. Si Lovie lang bumili. Ayan. Cute. God Monday. Right, basil, yeah.
Because you bring the mango sticky rice also. This
Yeah.
one, and we have some the fried basil. This one is a fried basil. It's from like the basil and have some red chili. This one is a represent just like and have some the powdery
Fried
with the
basil, guys.
jasmine rice. It's a fried basil.
Meron talaga.
Yeah.
You can feel a warm rice.
Yeah.
Then with the chili, garlic, and
Yeah.
pink pepper.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I finally got
Thank
my
you.
bata.
Thank you. Have a great.
Lalabas na kami kasi dami na ding tao. And ang dami na rin namin na pamilya. Puno-puno na. Tapos ayun si Lovie. Diba, ang daming tao. Day 3 in Bangkok. Nandito kami sa may Saturn Pier. We're going to ride the ferry going to Icon Siam. So, ayun. I'm so excited. It's our first time here. And, yeah. We might go to a temple later kasi for so many times hindi kami nakapag-temple. But we might try later. We'll see pag hindi kami tinaman. So, see you there. We're now here in Icon Siam. First time namin ni Lovie. Lovie. Ayun na. Finally.
Ito ng ano?
Ha?
Slippers mo sa Hermes. Yeah.
Bibili daw niya ako ng slipper sa Hermes. Kasi ngayon guys,
Ayaw mo ng ano kapon eh. Ng Lululemon yan. Hindi pa. Meron pa tayo.
bilang daw ako ng asawa ko guys ng Hermes Morales.
Kamasilan lang. Lalo si Choi Choi. Si Choi Choi medyo pinakamasilan sa atin.
Saka mahirap pa kainin sa atin na hindi lang napigil.
So yung Japan talaga.
ที่ประสงค์จะเดินทางไปพร้อมกับรถขบวนนี้กรุณาเข้าแถว
Mamaya alam may kinain natin sa Singapore. Yung mga kais na may mga beans. Meron din sa nagbebenta, meron din sa nagtitinda nito. 30 baht.
Here? Shrimp pad thai and crab fried rice and loving at the wagyu pad krapao. Yum! So excited to eat. Done with everything. Security check, immigration, and VAT refund. We still have 1.5 hour before boarding. So, nag-iikot-ikot na lang kami ngayon dito sa duty free. Ang saya mag-ikot sa airport ng ibang bansa kasi walang ganito sa atin. Hindi natin na-enjoy yung mga ganitong ayun lang. Daming sale, daming budol, in short. But yeah, nag-enjoy lang kami. Window shopping lang before boarding. And then, siguro may hanap kami ng makakainan. So that's it. We'll see you guys later. Last minute budol pa nga. May butter bear din dito sa airport. Cute penguin.
看到这个东西还是大的长得怪点儿。
I got this na already, the good student. Meron ako niyan. Cute. Ito ako pinaka natutuwa. Sa Monchichi.
哎，你不觉得这很像陈鹏学？这很像陈鹏学。
Hindi laban. 2 pieces lang yung maliit. Long piece yun.
Diba? Mas maano pa.
Lift up the buckle and pull free hand to release. If you are within infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are